How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix GitHub Copilot not working in VS Code. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your extension, head over to the GitHub Copilot, and just make sure to hit the restart extension button, making sure that there is no problem with the extension itself. What we can do is to also update it to the latest version. So we have to click on the update option right here that will basically try to update the VS Code, or I mean the GitHub Copilot. Another thing that you could do is to make sure that the account associated with the GitHub Copilot has a subscription. The next thing that we can do is to hit Control-Shift-P on our keyboard, which will then open this up. So you could simply just type GitHub .. and then sign out. Hit on enter, and then it will sign out of the GitHub itself. Now you could just simply re-authenticate or re-log in your GitHub account, making sure that it's perfectly working fine. So let's just hit Control-Shift-P on our keyboard once again. Type GitHub .. sign in. Click on open. Then you could just, of course, make sure that you have signed in the right account for your GitHub. And so those are the ways in order to simply fix this problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.